The fastest way you can generate leads online, besides organic short long form content, besides you doing a Facebook, YouTube, TikTok live video, definitely a Facebook ad. Facebook helps you to push your content out in your region, in South Africa, or on a global scale, depending on the radius or where your target market is hanging out, in which suburb, country. You can be very specific as to the gender, their interest. What are your market, the demographics interested in? Which are the books that they are reading? Do they love business, online marketing? Do they love digital marketing? So running a Facebook ad can generate you leads, and that leads you can close. When people reach out to you on a Facebook ad, you have to phone that potential clients so that you can close them immediately. What you don't close immediately, you will never close. So that is the fastest way you can generate leads, and taking a step further to convert that lead into sales when you start phoning your market as soon as possible. So that is the fastest way you can generate leads if you are brand new, if you are just starting out, or if you have been in business for a while. Facebook ads works.